If you like watching reconstructions, you might hear the word keyhole. On today's video, I'm going to showing you the easiest method to do the keyhole. Before I jump into the video, I just want to say that this video is for total beginners. So first of all, let's go to the really basic of keyhole. Basically in keyhole, if you have a solved edge or a solved corner and an empty pair like this, you can use keyhole. So for doing keyhole, if you have a corner, what you need to do is just where the corner is going to go. For example, this is going to go here. Just move this in another way and then insert the corner just like that and then fix it. For edges, you need to move the edge and then insert the piece like that. Now sometimes it just becomes a bit tricky to understand when you should insert the piece and how you should insert the piece. So if you see your edge color that is right there is any of these side colors, you can understand this is basically a pretty easy insert. You just need to do like that and you can insert it pretty easily. But if you see this is not any of the side colors, you need to know this is a bit tricky insert, like you can insert it like that. So for this kind of thing, you can use this trick to use a wide U and then you can insert it just like that. Now where you should not use a keyhole is for some cases just like this. For this type of case, instead of doing keyhole, you can just do this algorithm, which is much faster and easier. Sometimes instead of doing this one, you can just go for other pieces which are much easier, and then you might find this just becomes much easier for you. For this type of case where you have a flipped edge like this and you also have an empty pair just like that, you can use keyhole because this is really good. So do a sledge and then insert just like that and it's much faster. Sometimes you might find yourself that it's better to do algorithms for a certain number of cases, but why you should use PECUDO F2L? The reason is if you just go for like more look ahead, now you just see this case and you're just planning that I'm gonna do this case after this one, so you can use PECUDO F2L because it doesn't move that much in the top there. So another thing that if you do keyhole, you need to be really good at doing D moves. So for this case, I just see this, I'm gonna do this later on. I did this insert and then I can go for like that because that thing just didn't even change. So that's a good thing of keyhole, that your next F2L pair doesn't change that much. But if changing that makes things better, so don't do keyhole. But if you like that case to do next after that, I guess doing keyhole is pretty good. Now this was just all the basic keyholes. Now if you just want to take it next level, you might know PECUDO F2L. So for PECUDO F2L, you might have a edge solved and a corner solved. Now you like thinking this two as unsolved, make this two your F2L pair and insert it, and then you'll get like both of this solved. Here's what I mean. So for example, if I insert this like that, you can see we have solved two F2L pair at once, but these things are super advanced and even like NASA 15 don't even try to do that. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you just understand basic keyhole. If you just want more advanced, so write in the comment down below. I'll try to make it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.